Hello, welcome back. Thought I'd just nip out to the shed. We've got 5 minutes in between a million and one other jobs that no doubt a lot of us are trying to get through whilst we've got a bit of time and during lockdown. Thought I'd nip back out to the shed and have a couple of minutes whilst I'm having a brew, just have a little bit of practice with the welder. So the bit of metal that you saw me work on the other day in the other video, I've put that in the vise here. I've given this bit a clean up, and as you can see it already had a cut in it. Now I thought that might be good for a bit of practice of butt welds, seeing as that's what I'm going to be doing predominantly on the car for the rust repairs. I've got some stitch welding to do to strengthen the engine bay, but the butt welds I want to get bang on because I want it looking as if it's just original. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So got everything set up, got the clamp on there. I did try it through the bolt and the bottom, and I don't think I've not got a good enough earth through my little setup, so I need to figure that out. So I've got the earth clamp on there, everything's all plumbed in, ready to go. So this is the bit of metal I was using in the last video. As you can see, there's a slice in it down there. So I'm just going to start with a couple of series of tacks and see how that looks, and then I might just try a proper weld in there and just see how it goes. So let's get it powered up, get the gas on, and see what we can do. So that doesn't look too bad. Underside's okay. So. So there we go. So you can see that. Not too bad. It's coming through alright underneath. Obviously I just need to take my time doing it on the car, but I mean it's not really deformed any, so the heat seems to be spreading out of it quite well. Yeah, for a quick 2-minute video, or however long this takes, you know me, a 2-minute video takes 45 minutes, but that's getting there. I like this bit here, this bit's good. I need to practice more and get that done. Okay, thanks for watching.